Hello, good morning viewers. Back with me, Farah and Alayya will accompany you for the next 10 minutes in Flash News in the morning. Flash News viewers, today's news is about the earthquake in CIANJUR that hit the community at the end of November. An earthquake measuring 5.6 magnitude with a depth of 10 kilometers occurred at around 13:21 p.m. on 21 November 2022.
A total of 272 died, more than 200 people were injured as a result of the disaster. This earthquake also damaged of 56,000 buildings as a result. Many residents filed to aid posts provided by local residents. An earthquake 5.6 the Richter scale shocked residents, but did not have the potential of tsunami.
We will see how the current conditions are after the last earthquake and how residents deal with this situation. Soon we will be live with our reporters in the area I connected to Ossy, which is now on location.
Yes, thank you Farah and Alayya. As we know, there was an earthquake in CIANJUR on Monday, November 21, 2022. Many houses were destroyed, causing residents to live in 8 pots. And for more details, already with me. Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, when did this earthquake occur?
Last Monday, November 21,
What time did it happen?
noon, around 13:21 p.m.
What are you doing at the time of the incident?
Just relaxing at home.
How did you feel when the earthquake happened?
My feelings at that time was confused and scared, but I immediately saved myself to get out of the house.
Were there aftershocks after the earthquake?
There was an earthquake, but not strong.
Oh, I see. How was your condition after the earthquake happened?
I injured my knee because I fell while saving myself. At the time, the house was shaking and I had difficulty getting up and running.
Oh, I see. Then, how are the conditions around you?
My house was damaged and the neighbor house was badly damaged.
How anyone come to help?
Someone has already provided assistance, food, blanket, clothes, mat, medicine, etc.
Well, I think that's enough for the interview. Thank you for your time given, Miss. Good morning. That's all the information I can give from the location and back to the studio.
Thank you, Ossy. Happy working again. That's the news for this morning. Follow the update on the flash news in the next hour. I, Alayya, and Farah. Good morning and goodbye.